Hey guys, I noticed that there were a lot of transactions that failed during the staking process. I'm going to show you how to find out if your transaction was one of the ones that failed and how to fix it. So first, how to find out if your transaction failed. You're going to go to profit down at the bottom of your screen. And then if you have an iPhone, you're going to see liquidity pledge on your page twice. You do not want the first one that's inside the orange box. You want to use the second field down and hit liquidity pledge. When you get to this page, when you scroll to the bottom, it shows you your pledge records. As you can see here, this first transaction failed, and so it says failed at the bottom in red. And so I went back in and redid the staking, and then it worked the second time. This has happened for quite a few people that I work with, but then I also noticed in the records there are many more people who may not be earning that 1.4% a day. So here is how you fix it. On the page that you're on, at the top of the page, your funds, when it failed, moved from USDT over to FUSD main, which is the last option. So you're going to hit the drop down menu next to USDT BEP20, and you are going to select the last option, FUSD main. Once you go here, it will tell you the balance that's there in this account. It's only like $2 left, but it will tell you the balance that's there. You'll go through the regular staking process. The minimum is 100 to pledge, so this one isn't going to work. But most importantly, when you process or attempted to process the first transaction, it took some of your FTC coins to try to process it. And so you are going to have to go back in, or excuse me, the change of name, got to get used to that, SCF. You're going to have to check your SCF main to make sure you have enough coins in there to process the transaction. And it will tell you right under the section that says FinLP or estimated earnings, FinLP 0.130. Underneath there in real fine gray letters, it tells you what the estimated fees are. And it'll tell you the B&B fee as well as the SCF main fee. And then you just check your wallet to confirm that you have enough in there to cover the fees. You then go through the process as normal. The quick pledge would be highlighted in orange. You click quick pledge, okay, or next on the next page, and then your password. And then when it's completed, it'll say processing, but you ultimately want to see it say pledge at the bottom, and then you know that it's completely done.